We said it's over, just like that. No tears, no fight, just fading black. But now you're here, right next to me, like nothing changed, like we're still we. Your voice is soft, your eyes still warm, but something's gone or just transformed. I play it cool, I try pretend, but I don't know how this will end. How do we go back to being friends when we just shared the bed last night? How do I look into your eyes and act like everything's alright? We cross the line and draw it back like love's a game we can't rewind. But every touch just brings me closer to a past we left behind. You laugh the same, you say my name, but it don't hit me quite the same. There's something in the space between what we were and what we mean. I feel your hand brush into mine. We pull away, we cross the line. It's getting hard to just pretend that we were never more than friends. How do we go back to being friends when we just shared the bed last night? How do I silence all these thoughts that keep me up till morning light? We say it's fine, we play it safe, but something's breaking deep inside. 'Cause every time I'm close to you, I fall for you all over twice. Maybe we're just scared to let go. Maybe we just don't wanna know if this is love or just a ghost or something we don't wanna lose. How do we go back to being friends when my heart still calls you mine? How do we unwrite all the nights that still replay inside my